With over 300,000 IT professionals and a 15% market growth per year, Colombia is today one of the Latin American tech reference alongside Mexico, Argentina, and Brazil. EPAM arrived in Colombia in 2021, reinforcing our expansion strategy, and after reaching over 1,000 people in 2 years, we opened 2 key epicenter cities for tech growth, Bogota and Medellin, strengthening the acquisition and development of technical talent. We offer elite spaces designed to guarantee comfort, flexibility, and productivity at the highest security standard in our more than 2,000 square meters offices. Allowing EPAMers to enjoy the local environment that complements EPAM's hybrid work model. When people join EPAM, we enable their success by providing world-class comprehensive onboarding and mentoring from the industry's finest. Unlimited learning solutions and educational resources to keep their career dynamic, expanding, and aligned with EPAM learning culture fostered through events, conferences, workshops, meetups, and hackathons. A career path that ensures growth and professional evolution while achieving engineering excellence. Our culture will always be our highlight. That is why we provide spaces for fun, collaboration, and the flexibility that employees need to achieve a healthy work-life balance. Our Colombian offices are LEED certified, which makes them green-friendly environments. EPAM Colombia serves over 100 global clients, delivering high-quality solutions and continuously looking for new opportunities that encourage our team's growth and innovation to keep pioneering the industry. We have accomplished so much, being rated top 50 most loved workplaces worldwide, best place to work worldwide, top 100 IT services companies. We have transformed all kinds of industries from fintech to gaming, and we are just getting started. If you are bright, motivated, and want to be part of something special at our locations in Latin America, join us at epam.com/careers.